Adjusting volume on your USB headset for Xbox One.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to adjust the volume on your USB headset while using it on an Xbox One. Whether you're in the middle of a gaming session or enjoying some entertainment, controlling your headset's volume can be crucial for a great experience.
Checking your headset's compatibility.
First things first, make sure your USB headset is compatible with Xbox One. Not all USB headsets are, so it's important to check the product's manual or the manufacturer's website for this information.
Connecting the headset to Xbox One.
Now, let's connect your headset. Simply plug the USB connector into a USB port on your Xbox One. Some headsets might require an update to function properly. If prompted, follow the instructions on the screen to update your headset.
Adjusting the volume through Xbox One settings.
Once your headset is connected and updated, we can adjust the volume. Here's how. 1. Press the Xbox button on your controller. This will open the guide menu. 2. Navigate to the System tab, which is represented by a cog icon, and then select Audio. 3. In the audio settings, you'll find options like Headset Volume, Headset Chat Mixer, and Mic Monitoring. Adjust these to your preference. Headset Volume controls the overall volume. Headset Chat Mixer balances game audio versus chat audio. And Mic Monitoring controls the volume of your voice in the headset.
Using volume controls on your headset.
Many headsets also have built-in volume controls. If yours does, try adjusting the volume directly on the headset or on an inline control unit if one is available. Check your headset's user manual if you're unsure where these controls are located. There you have it. You now know how to adjust the volume on your USB headset while using it on Xbox One. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to bringing you more useful guides in the future. Happy gaming!